Check this out! Easy opening! And to close a half-full packet, try this method. Perfectly sealed. Have you tried to sharpen a pencil, but it's too soft? Just put it in the fridge for a bit. Perfectly sharpened. Clipping on a bracelet by yourself can be a challenge. Try using an elastic band. This way, you will be able to hold one end in place. Securely latched. Open a tin can safely by using a tablespoon. Lift up the tab and you're done. Handy! That's why you should always keep some coffee filters in your car. They're great as dusters. And they're always handy for sharing a snack. Here's how to use a salt dispenser correctly. Now it's ready to be used. Place dried beans in a pillowcase and keep them in the freezer. They will be ready to use if someone gets injured. Throwing a party? Here's an idea for quick and easy decorations. Don't do this. Pour water and dishwashing liquid into a glass. Then, turn on the blender. Perfectly clean and without dirtying the sink. Did you know that all you need to fix a broken zipper is a fork? Incredible! Pot keeps falling off? Problem solved! Using this hack, you will no longer need a toaster. A hack to try out. Window keeps banging? Just secure it in place with a document's clip. Problem solved. Don't throw away your orange peels. Fill them with oil and transform them into 100% all-natural citrus candles. This way, too much ketchup comes out. Squeeze the bottle this way. A perfect amount. Too much oil? Instead of pouring it off, do this. Handy. Hot lid? Here's a way to lift it up without using a pot holder. ingenious. This won't work. Much better. An alternative use for a sieve. Much easier to spread. Let's check out some useful tips for the bedroom. This way, the laundry will always be neatly folded and tidy. Give it a try. Here's how to put on a pillowcase easily. Perfect! You'll love these household hacks. Don't hang up your tea towels like this. This way, they're childproof. Here's an alternative use for your toilet roll holder that will make your life easier. Are you looking for a way to save space in your suitcase? Put your clothes inside a travel pillow. Two-in-one function. On too tight? Pry it up with a tablespoon. Easy. Is the baking tray too small? Don't cut up the pizza like this. Now, it's perfect. Do you have any leftover sauce sachets? An immediate treatment for insect bites. Here's a way to tie up your shirt perfectly. Beautiful! By cutting open a bag of potato chips this way, it will be much easier to share them. Give it a go! Using a safety pin, take accurate measurements easily. Handy. Here's a DIY hack to remember. Very handy. This hack will revolutionize your food prep tasks. No more splashes. This way, the water runs right off the top. Turn the broccoli upside down. Much better. And to cut it up, try this. Easy and fast.